Okay guys, welcome to another video. So today what we're doing is we're just eating protein bars and we'll see what happens. Yeah, like I said at the start of the video, so what we're going to do today is we're just going to be eating protein bars today. Nothing but protein bars, so I'll try and hit my macros as close as possible. I think I've got like 2,000 calories worth of protein bars here. We'll just kind of have them spaced out throughout the day and then see what happens. Because it's not a lot of volume, it's just 9 bars and I'm used to having big meals, so try and drink as much water. The only 2 bars I've had was this grenade bar, and also I've had this my protein bar, but the rest I've not had, so I'm kind of intrigued. I tried to get a mix of everything, so I did get even some fruity things like blueberry, apple, blueberry, like orange, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate, caramel, cookies and cream, honeycomb, so it's all different. So what I'll do is I'll have one now, I'll rate them as I go on, but I will rate them at the end, and I'll tell you which one's the best in my opinion and how I'm feeling. Okay, first one I'm going to have PhD Smart Jack Protein Oat Flapjack. This is a blueberry muffin, so I thought this was suited for breakfast. Right, decent. It's actually really good. It's like exactly like a blueberry muffin. I think the blueberry could have been stronger. The texture's really good. So I love I love flapjacks. So I love this. So I'd probably give this like a good 8 out of 10. That's pretty good. I'd buy this again when I finish this. And I'd probably head to the gym. I think this is the one I was most intrigued about anyway. Well, that's class. Whoa, the lighting's push. Okay, so that's us just out the gym. Me just out the gym. So I'm gonna have my next protein bar. So this one is going to be my protein one. So I have had this one before. So chocolate on the outside. So this one is what is it? Vanilla and honeycomb. Yeah, it's nice. I quite like this one. It's kind of fudgy. So this basically is just like a big fudge. So I'm liking this, I like this, I do normally have this. So this one I'd probably give like 8 out of 10 again. Very filling. Like fudgy consistency. Okay, last bite. Scrumdiddly umptious. Okay, second protein bar done. I'll see you back at the house. So at 2:10, still the same day. Okay, I'm gonna have a protein bar, another protein bar. I'm starting to get really hungry actually. So So even, I think in the morning I actually wasn't that hungry. Tried to fill myself up with actual food yesterday. I went away from all the protein and stuff, tried to eat kind of whole foods. But it's about 2 o'clock, I've only had 2 protein bars, so I've still got like 7 more, so this is my third one. So this one is a Pro 2 Go SCI Max Nutrition Chocolate and Orange Dual Bar. So I've not tried this. It's not as heavy. Yep, so just a chocolate. That's like similar to the last one. It's quite fudgy. That consistency. It's nice, but I don't know. Pretty good to be fair. The macros are pretty good on this as well. So what would I rate this out of 10? Probably a 5 or 6. I'd say 6. Okay, last bite. I'll see you at the next one. Check this for you. Just enjoying the sun. Okay, so next protein bar. It's not actually a protein bar, it's more like a protein cookie. So this is more Farah, more protein. So let me just check. Macros are quite good in this. Anyway, so strawberry and white chocolate. Let's give this a wee taste. It's pretty good to me. As I say, strawberry and white chocolate. For that one, I'll probably rate that like a 7 out of 10. I'm actually quite good. That's quite good. It's soft, it's really soft. Actually, wee bits of like strawberry in it. All in all, pretty good. More. Okay, last bite. Okay, for dinner we have got the Pro 2 Go apple and cinnamon one. Actually says apple flavour with a liquid centre wrapped in a delicious white chocolate coating. By the way, looks pretty good, potential. That's strange. I'd probably give this maybe like 7.5 out of 10. It's very like sticky, like in my teeth. Don't know if I like that. That's tasty. Got to show you the time. 20 past 6. Okay, last bite of the apple and cinnamon one. Okay, so I'll see you at the next bar. I am burnt. Tesco one actually, because this one is the cookies and cream flavour. Yeah, so the time is like 12 minutes past 8. Kind of burst. So that might be the inside. So yeah, this is the cookies and cream flavour. It's good, but I think the flavour's like quite weak. I don't know. Maybe a 7.5. No, maybe an 8. 7.5 or 8. But it's tasty. Yeah, today I've definitely felt kind of not hungry, but most thinking about food. It's only because of what I'm doing, but I'm trying to just fill myself with some water. That's the only way it's gonna help my hunger. But I've still got like 3 other bars and it's only 8 o'clock, so I'll be fine. If I ate too many bars earlier on, then I think I would struggle. Like the first bar that I ate was actually 9 o'clock. If I got maybe up a wee bit earlier, it'd be more of a struggle. Okay, last bite of this cookies and cream. For Tesco's own. From Tesco. Okay, this is the other one that I've actually already tried, but I'm going to have this. So it's about 9:20. I think the grenade bars taste more like authentic. They taste like a chocolate bar. This is probably one of my favourites as well. I'd give this one a 9. The best one is actually the, what's it called? Yeah, so the white chocolate salted peanut one is unbelievable. Yeah, this kind of tastes like a Snickers. I don't know why. Can't believe I burnt on. Oh shoot. So last bite of the Caramel Chaos. Done. Okay, so second last protein bar. This one is Warrior Unleash Hell. This is a protein flapjack, so this is the chocolate brownie. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I like just brownie batter, like. That's good. Yes, it's really good. This generally does taste like a brownie. Probably give this like maybe like 8.5 out of 10. If you want something chocolatey, then this is good. So the wee white chunks. I'm not sure that it's quite nutty. I like it. I really like it. Okay, last bite of the brownie. Okay, one last one. Probably have it at 11 o'clock or something. Then I'll just probably head to bed. Okay, the last and final one. Okay, so the time is 23:23. So this is the SIS one, Science and Sport vanilla cheesecake. So I don't really know what kind of consistency this one is. But yeah, we're gonna try it anyway. So this is the last one of the day. Oh. It's got like wee crunchy, I don't know there. Let's just find out. So it's that kind of cakey consistency, and then the vanilla bit at the top is like really soft, more like a kind of cream, and the chocolate crunch on the outside. See, that is that's up there. I think even if if I heated this up and like the wee vanilla cream at the top was a bit more melted, this would probably be a 10, but 9.5 as it is. Okay, last bite of this protein bar. Okay, so that's all the protein bars done. I'll try and rate everyone. I rated everyone I think after I actually had them, but I'll do a kind of wee score at the side. So
So pretty much the purpose of this video was just a bit of entertainment really, just something a little bit different. So I was trying to just kind of keep it aligned with my macros as much as possible, try to change the protein bars for different makes so you can kind of get a wee idea. But yeah, it's been okay actually. I thought it was going to be a lot tougher because of the volume, but I think because I was drinking a lot of water throughout the day, I wasn't really on the move as much. It wasn't that bad. I also list all my macros from today, so you can see how much protein, carbs, fats I've had and how many calories all these had in them. So yeah, it's pretty much me done. Okay guys, so if you liked this video and you want more like this, smash the thumbs up button, comment the next one you want to go see, and obviously subscribe if you've not subscribed already. And yeah, so stay positive, stay grateful, and I will see you in the next one.